efficient and eco-friendly refrigerator recycling solution. We use advanced refrigerator recycling equipment, ensuring maximum recovery of recyclable materials like copper, aluminum, and plastics in every step, from motor removal to precise separation. The recovery rate exceeds 97%. As the number of old refrigerators increases, finding efficient and environmentally friendly ways to recycle these discarded units has become a key issue. Today, we will introduce you to our refrigerator recycling equipment. Step 1. Pre-treatment station. The old refrigerators are initially dismantled, and external components are removed, preparing the units for the subsequent processes. Step 2. Fluorine extraction station. Using advanced equipment, we safely extract the refrigerant, fluorine, from the refrigerators to prevent environmental contamination. Step 3. Shredding and crushing. The dual-shaft shredder efficiently breaks down the refrigerators, turning them into smaller pieces for the next stage of recycling. Step 4. Secondary crushing and separation. The crushed refrigerator materials are precisely separated, allowing for the recovery of copper, aluminum, plastics, and other valuable materials. After processing, our equipment ensures that the recovery rate of copper, aluminum, plastics, and other resources exceeds 97%. For more information, feel free to contact us